This chicken preparation can be a very good breakfast combination. Try this chicken curry with some hot steaming idlis. It tastes very good. Also with some plain white steamed rice. Do give it a try, guys. Thank you for watching and stay connected for some new recipes every week. Signing off from Cheryl's Kitchen.